Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my Witch's Roots box for June 2020. This is one of my favorite boxes, and I'm really excited to finally get to open it because I've been trying to avoid everybody else's unboxing so that I can be surprised when I finally get to open mine. So let's see. A gentle reminder of what the theme is, but I already can tell that I love that. Psychic Sight. I smell like Nag Champa or Patchouli or something. Insight. It's very beautiful. I am connected with the wisdom of the universe. I love these. I collect these. Mugwort. Nice. Very cool. And so this has got to be the smell. Definitely this is the smell. I don't know if, I mean, I'm not always good at discerning, but it smells like either Nag Champa or sandalwood or patchouli or something like that. We've got a dropper, so I probably have an oil here. We've got mugwort. Oh my goodness. I usually just kind of like keep these sealed because I store them in a box because I'm trying to work through like 100 of them. But this one looks really, really pretty. Look at that beauty. That is so pretty. I love that. Wow. I've been I've been doing candle magic every single quarter. So first quarter, new moon, first quarter, full moon, last quarter. I've been doing some candle magic to try and get through my candles that I have. And I'm also going to burn some for the Sabbath as well. So I am catching up, actually. And I'm really excited about this one. Let's see what we got here. Psychic Sight Natural, Ritual Body Oil. So this is a different looking label for them. So I've gotten them for a while. I can see that there's stuff floating in it, which is their usual. It smells like really like subtle. Interesting. Interesting. What do we got here? Ooh, my stone was wrapped in bubbles. So, ooh, it's an amethyst. Beautiful. Wow, love it. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a triangle with an eye on it. Can you guys see that? There's lots of little bills all over it. That tickles me. Look at that. Psychic Sight. It's got like little words on the back. Very neat. Little eyeballs are not my thing though, but I can appreciate them for sure. Let's see what this says. On a journey where many challenges are faced and obstacles overcome, we focus on finding the wisdom hidden beneath. Even when pondering or peering into the future, we work to open our minds to natural intuition, allowing insights, visions, and flashing messages to arrive. As with some of the most powerful and useful divinatory tools used in the craft today, there are many ways for us to peer deeper. In this very special collection, we work to refine our ability to awaken our psychic sight, given us the unique opportunity to be revealed to the hidden realms and perspectives that may stand just slightly behind our preconceived judgments of the world around us. As you work with these magical tools, open your mental and spiritual availability to new insights. These small yet significant revelations may alter your path ahead. The magical items in this box are as follows. Mugwort, one of the most talked about herbs in witchcraft, as well as having deep significance in most magical practices and ancient religions. So, let me see. Although an herb of the Artemisia thread, mugwort's name is derived from the Greek moon goddess Artemis and has been a sacred herb to women for seemingly all time. It is even said that it is probable that mugwort was one of the first herbs cultivated by man, grown to be taken upon long travels and voyages. This sacred and potent herb has even reached the stories of the Stone Age being used in magicians' rites of old. One of the most revered qualities of mugwort is its ability to bring visions and dreams to those who work with the herb. Used to catapult the spirit and mind through states of astral travel and lucid dreaming, mugwort breaks through walls of judgment and perspective, allowing us to communicate with other realms that we would have previously been unable to access without deep understanding and practice. So there's more information. So there's the mugwort Grimy art. I love these. The Psychic Sight Spell Coin. Psychic Sight Spell Coin Pendant. So this is from Christopher Penzak. I think I'm saying that right. Psychic Sight Ritual Body Oil. So it has honeysuckle, vanilla, sandalwood, lavender, ylang ylang, and jasmine. Also has mugwort and Egyptian blue lotus, a Lemurian quartz, and a little bit of third eye magical oil from their personal cabinet. Look Within mini spell candle, enhancing the visionary energy surrounding your space. Amethyst stone with pouch, enhance the magic that flows through your sacred space. Among many beneficial qualities, amethyst empowers us to have conviction in all things and brings our spiritual powers to peak performance so that we connect more easily with our guides. Patchouli, that's what it was. Ritual rope incense. Cool. And the Insight Meditation Book of Shadows artwork. Very cool. This was a really good box. I love the little arts. I mean, usually the candle is just one of the things that's in it, but this is so pretty. I really, really like it. I love these. I actually buy these a lot. And everything's just very on point, very, very cohesive. They're very, very good at what they do at the Witch's Moon. It's just a delight. So, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave the information for this box in the description bar below. I am doing my under $20 to under $30 boxes this month. This is one of my regular boxes, but it is only $29 straight to my door. So, an incredible value in my opinion. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and have a good night.